In today's video, we're going to talk about BNB miner and what probably you do not know about the 3% a day concept into this kind of yield farming, okay? So before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates. And let's just jump right into it, okay? So probably you've heard about this project wherein you will be able to earn 3% daily, okay? But the thing here is that you are not going to get this really full every single day, okay? So you will just get 3% daily if you are compounding the BNB that is inside your in your platform into your wallet. And that is the reason why the contract balance has been down from 10,000 BNB up to 5,590. It is because people do not want to compound that much anymore. But here's my thing here, okay? BNB Miner has been steadily paying their followers, the people that are believing into this project, okay, since 7 months ago. Okay, I repeat, since 7 months ago. So this project has been really up for some time now, and if you're going to ask me if it is still good to join in BNB Miner, I will say yes, because 3% a day or even lower than that is still a big return in terms of the investing, perhaps. So my prediction is that your ROI is not really 1 month. I think your ROI will be around 3 to 4 months, because these yield are going lower every single day if you are not compounding. Okay, so this 3% daily, this guaranteed 3% daily, just only happens if you are compounding your money every day, which is, I think, still not bad at all. I still have 0.05 BNB in barrel, which I think is perfectly awesome. It's a good dinner for me. And unlike the other predecessors that they're saying that are paying 100% daily, this is a lot more sustainable, okay? And this platform is built for long-term style of yield farming, and that is the reason why you shouldn't like panic if the contract balance is going down. You're not actually getting 3% a day. That's actually the easiest money that you can ever got in a cryptocurrency yield farming, okay? Just believe me, guys, okay? Unlike on other stuffs like MEXC, okay, which you are getting your ROI for around 6 months, these are paying you without even laying out your time, okay? You're just going to compound, you're just going to mine, you just need to hire some miners, and that's pretty much it. And that's the reason why it's very important to understand that this kind of yield farmings are good, but do not get food, okay? Fear, uncertainty, doubt for those people that they're saying like, whew, it's not really 3% a day, but because you are earning passive income in here, I think that's perfectly fine as well, okay? Of course, this is not a financial advice. You should always invest what you can afford to lose. But currently, yield farming projects like BNB Miner are in my radar right now. I rather put some of my money, some of my baskets into this kind of yield farming projects than putting my money from shitcoin projects, from NFT projects that are rug pull. And that is the reason why I like BNB Miner still, even though you are not getting 3% daily if you are not compounding as well. Okay, so I just really want to make it clear to you guys. Of course, the profitability is pretty much kind of low nowadays, but you can always withdraw this anytime. You're just going to send it into your Binance wallet. That's just how easy it is. 0.07, and that's pretty much good to go. Okay, you're just going to send the transaction, and that's it. Okay, so if you're looking forward into this kind of BNB yield farming projects, I would recommend this. I'm also going to recommend BUSD Farm. I'm also going to recommend MoneyPrinter.finance. I think all of these projects right there is perfectly fine for me. but I mean you could also get BUSD, because BUSD is stable coin. BNB is not a stable coin, but also a good long term in terms of holding it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. Please do subscribe, guys. I mean, I'm creating a lot of free contents from you guys. This is like the best as you can do for me. So please do subscribe right now. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.